Rogers Home and Away voicemail lets you access messages from home or remotely. To activate, dial 98 from your Rogers home phone. If it's your first time, follow the voice prompts to create a mailbox. You'll be asked to record your name and a greeting. Most importantly, you'll set up a 4 to 6 digit PIN. Choose a unique PIN to prevent unauthorized access. If you prefer, you can also manage voicemail settings, including PIN changes, via the My Rogers app. To test it, leave yourself a message and then call your home number. Press Start when the greeting plays and enter your PIN to retrieve it. Your PIN is crucial for remote access and security. Rogers now mandates PINs for all new voicemail activations for enhanced security and privacy. If you forget your PIN, you can reset it via the My Rogers app or by contacting Rogers customer service. For app-based access, Rogers is integrating two-factor authentication for added security. Be aware that after 3 failed PIN attempts, your voicemail may lock temporarily. Wait 30 minutes before trying again, or contact Rogers support for assistance. In the future, expect voicemail systems to integrate with AI for summarizing messages and potentially voice-activated access, reducing reliance on PINs. This completes your guide to understanding and managing your voicemail PIN.